Thank you. When you come in, press the like button, press the love button, press the share button for me. And once you press the share button, comment, share for me. Hey, Jessica, how you doing? So today I'm talking about real estate agent versus life insurance agent. And I'm like one of the best people to have this conversation. I am the wealth creator. I show people how to use other people's money to pay their mortgage, create cash flow, generate generational wealth, and protect their assets. I do that through the power of entrepreneurship, real estate, and life insurance, right? So I am a licensed realtor in the state of Illinois. I am also a licensed life insurance producer in the state of Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Ohio, Maryland. Am I licensed in Virginia? I think so. Virginia, Georgia, North Carolina, Florida, Alabama, right? I think that's it. I need to apply for a license for Missouri or Missouri this month, as well as Texas. Looking to get licensed in Texas as well. So, and if I did not mention your state, that does not mean I cannot work with you as a life insurance agent. I am able to get a license since I'm licensed in Illinois, in any other state in the United States. So, thank you for coming in. Press the like button for me. Do me a favor. Press the share button. And once you share this, type share into the comments. And if you have questions as I go through this, feel free to ask, right? So, one of the reasons why my last job, I worked as a temp from 2009 to 2012. I had a master's degree. I found myself unemployed in 2009. It was a lot going on with the economy. So now I'm a receptionist at a company, and then I ended up being an administrative assistant capacity. Although my passion was recruitment, my degree, I have a master's degree in human resource management. Recruitment was my focus. So I find myself unemployed in 2012. I take a abundance mindset webinar that I saw on Facebook, and I got really intentional about the position that I wanted. I wanted to go back into the workforce. I tried entrepreneurship, really didn't understand it, didn't have a mentor, didn't have people in my corner like I do now in both real estate and the life insurance industry, and I wasn't disciplined enough. So I need a job, right? So I go and I'm applying for jobs. I'm not getting any hits. I do this abundant mindset webinar. I get really intentional. And I end up going to an interview, getting a job. The process took about a month. It started off great. I was a recruiter in HR for a nonprofit, right? I laid out everything I wanted to a T. I should have been more specific with my pay. However, I have this job and it went from great to not so great really quickly. So in 2017, I decided I was going to become a real estate professional. My first go round with real estate was in 2003. I went and took the classes in 2003, got like a 90-something% in my classroom class, went to take the test around my birthday. I've shared this story before. Failed one portion of the test, never had failed anything in life. So I did not go back and revisit real estate until 2017. Taking this course online now, taking my time, BSing, because I'm comfortable. I have a full-time job, even though I hate the job. I loved what I did not like how the company ran some things, right? So, but I have this job, I have this building, my car is paid for, I'm comfortable, right? So then the universe, God, whatever you want to call it, said, if she not gonna jump, I'ma push her, right? So I was BSing with my classes, and in August of 2017, I was let go from my job. I was let go because I had written a book, and I was also an independent recruiter, and I would post sometimes on Twitter. This is why they suspended me. So what happened? I got really serious about that online self-paced real estate course I was taking. And on September 28th, 2017, I went and took and passed my real estate exam, right? Became a real estate agent in 2017, had already chosen the brokerage. 2018, I want to say the end of 2018, another realtor approaches me. She and I got involved in real estate about the same time, but she also got involved in the life insurance industry. So at that time, I was like, let me solidify myself as a real estate agent before I get involved in life insurance. I did that. She followed up with me. And then in August of 2019, I went on ahead and partnered with her and joined her in business. And now we're going to talk about the difference between a real estate agent and a life insurance agent, right? So the similarities are, one, a license is required, right? A license is required. Education is required. Pre-licensing or some sort of course prior to sitting for the real estate license and the life insurance license is required. States vary. So in Illinois, when it comes to life insurance, so in Illinois, to become a real estate broker, they're only real estate brokers, but people understand agent. You take a 90-hour course. After that 90-hour course, you have to pass the test for that class. Wherever you took that class, you pass the test for that class. Let me clean my mirror. You pass the test for that class. Now you're able to go and sit for the national and state exam, right? So you pay for your real estate course. Same thing with life insurance. You're paying for your pre-licensing class. I paid about $500 for my real estate course. I paid $74 for my life insurance pre-licensing course, right? So $500 versus $74, right? That's just for the course. Both of them, once you're done taking the course, now you have to pass the test from the course. Passing that test allows you to schedule your exam. To take the exam, the life insurance exam in Illinois, it is about $103, right? I don't remember if I had to pay to take my life insurance test. I'm sorry, I just don't remember, and I probably should have looked that up. I don't think I had to, but I did pay the $500 for the course. And then once I took the test, I passed the test, I waited, I was able to print my license. In Illinois, you have to pay on the life insurance side to print your license. It is prorated. So it was about $180 to print my license. I think I paid $155 to print my license once I passed the test, right? So this is a similarity between real estate and life insurance. When you come into the real estate industry as an agent or salesperson, and the life insurance industry as an agent or salesperson, you are now self-employed. You own a job. You are trading time for money. As a real estate professional, if I am not actively involved in buying, helping someone buy, sell, or invest in a property, as an agent, I'm not making any money. As a life insurance agent, if I'm not actively involved in helping someone secure a life insurance product, I'm not making any money. But the first difference, if you're listening, you want to know the first difference between real estate and life insurance. I love both. Don't get me wrong. Life insurance money just comes a little quicker sometimes and it's less of a headache. And we're going to talk about that. Put a 1 in the comments for me. Press the like button. Press the share button. Don't be selfish with this information. Someone will definitely get some value out of this information. And once you press the share button, let me know by typing share in the comments, right? So as a real estate agent, I make money when I help someone buy a home, sell a home, invest in a property. As a life insurance agent, I make money when I sit down with the individual, they sign up for life insurance, and then they pay their premium, right? But what happens after the sale? What happens after the sale helps to, hey Shamila, thank you so much for sharing. What happens after the sale is different. As a real estate agent, I helped Jane Doe buy a home. In January of 2020, I make money from that transaction outside of Jane Doe providing referrals, etc., or me helping Jane Doe buy or sell another property. It's one and done, right? I made that money, it's one and done. As a life insurance agent, I helped Jane Doe get a life insurance policy January 2020. January 2021 comes around, Jane Doe still has that life insurance policy. Residual income has kicked in for me, the life insurance agent. So main thing that separates life insurance agents from real estate professionals is life insurance agents are able to earn residual income up to 10 to 15 years after a sale, right? So if you think about it over time, the more people I help, as I help tens of hundreds of thousands of people, those people keep their life insurance policies. I've built a book of business and I have money coming in every month residually from something I did one time. Now, I do believe in fostering relationships, so I definitely follow up with my clients, reach back out to them. They may decide to get another policy. No limit to how many policies one can have. They have children. They can be repeat customers, just like a real estate client. And they also provide referrals, right? But the biggest takeaway, the difference between a real estate agent just as a salesperson and a life insurance agent just as a salesperson is a life insurance agent, as long as their client keeps their policy past year 1, is going to realize the power of residual income, right? We have residual bills, so we need some residual income. They are both commission-based, so that's a similarity. You can get a salaried life insurance job just like you can get a salaried real estate position. However, usually it's commission-based, right? I mentioned you're an independent contractor, so both own a job. A license is required, and some don't realize in both instances, you are building a business. You're building a business. You become a real estate professional, you're building a business. You need to have a website. You need to brand. You need to have systems in place. You need to generate leads some sort of way. You are building a business, right? You're an independent contractor, so you own a job, you're self-employed, but you can definitely move to the business side in real estate, and you can also move to the business side in life insurance. Second biggest thing, so life insurance, first main difference is the residual income. Second difference is reciprocity. Because I am licensed in the state of Illinois, I can get a license in all the other 49 states in the United States of America. All I have to do is apply. I put in my information for Ohio. I paid $16 for my life insurance license in Ohio. $16, right? When I got licensed in Florida, they required me to get fingerprinted. I paid for the fingerprints, paid for the license, but I'm licensed in Florida. Georgia required me to get some documents notarized. I went right to my bank and got the document notarized. I'm licensed in Georgia. I can sell life insurance in multiple states because life insurance, no matter where you are, it's the same. You got term, you got perm, you got annuities, fixed, variable, and index. I can speak that to anyone, anywhere, right? So I have the ability to have a nationwide business as a life insurance agent. In real estate, Illinois has reciprocity with Georgia, Wisconsin, and one other state, I believe, can't think of it. So you do have the ability to get licensed in those states as well, but your managing broker needs to be licensed in that state, or you have to figure out some sort of way. The agent or whomever I'm working with, my business partner in life insurance, doesn't have to be licensed in every state that I'm licensed in. If they want to make some money, they should get the license, but they don't have to be, right? Now, when it comes to real estate and life insurance, if I don't want to continuously trade time for money, if I don't want to be just a salesperson, I need to think entrepreneur instead of employee. What does that look like on the real estate side? On the real estate side, that looks like becoming a managing broker and opening up my own office and then bringing agents in to my office, right? When I bring agents into my office as a managing broker, or when I bring agents onto my team as a team lead, now I am activating passive income. As the managing broker, when my agent goes out and sells a home, hopefully because I'm providing training, I'm providing some sort of office, I'm providing resources to those agents, so therefore I get a split of their commission. So now my income is not solely dependent upon me. I have activated passive income as a real estate professional and either fully became an entrepreneur, or I'm a team lead, but nevertheless, I'm getting some passive income, right? So now I have money coming in when I sell a home and also when the brokers under me, or as a team lead, they sell a home, those agents sell a home or help someone buy a home or help someone invest in a property. A percentage of their commission comes to me, right? Same thing is possible in life insurance, but there's one difference. With life insurance, in the life insurance industry, I am a builder. And some people say, oh my God, it's an MLM. And when I thought about it, first of all, it's not multi-level marketing. Just like in real estate, you go work for a real estate office. There's a managing broker. There are brokers under that broker. There are team leads. There are brokers under that team lead. I'm doing the same thing in life insurance. But guess what? When I make my commission, my business partner, just like my managing broker gets a split, my business partner may get what we call an override, but it has nothing to do with my pot, right? So let's say I sell a $100,000 house and the buyer commission is 3%, right? The buyer agent commission is 3%. I'm looking at a $3,000 commission. That $3,000 commission is going to the brokerage, right? And then whatever my split is of that commission comes to me, and whatever the other split is goes to the broker, but we're splitting that $3,000, right? My partner in business on the life insurance side, if my commission is $3,000 and their override is 10%, they're not getting 300 of my 3,000. They're getting 300. I'm getting my whole 3,000. Does that make sense? Right? So that's another difference between real estate and life insurance. Why am I doing this video? I hear so many people, and I'm not against it. I'm going to go in real estate. I'm going to get my real estate license. It's great. It's good. Come on, there's room for everybody, but understand that you are building a business we are still trading time for money. So we need to be thinking entrepreneur, team lead, managing broker in order to not have to hustle so hard. So what do I mean by that? The life insurance cycle. I made a commission of $3,000, right, on one client. I talked to this client for maybe 3 hours total, 3 different times, because he owns a trucking business. So we set up a policy for his business that protects him, but it's also a tax write-off for his business. If you're a business owner, you want to learn more about that, visit my website. It's my name, JamesiaJonae.com. So he not only has life insurance with living benefits, but he also has a tax write-off for his business, right? So he and I spoke, and where the heck is he? I want to say he's based in North Carolina. So it was all via Zoom. I spent 3 hours with this gentleman. I made $3,000. Home buying. And I love real estate, don't get me wrong. But when I help a buyer or a seller, we could go out the first day, the first home they see, they love, they're good. But trust and believe through that whole process, I'm going to put in more than 3 hours. If it's a $100,000 home at like 3%, I'm making that $3,000. But this is going to take me at least 25 to 30 days to see that commission come in, right? Just because it's a process, unless we can close quickly. On the life insurance side, I've had people apply on a Monday that were approved on a Tuesday. They made their first payment on that Wednesday, and that next week, my money is direct deposited to me, right? So the sales cycle for life insurance is shorter, and you also get residual income on the life insurance side. The sales cycle on the real estate side is longer, and once I sell that one home, every time they pay their mortgage, I don't get paid. I got paid at the closing table, and that's it, right? There is no residual income. So if you are thinking about now, when it comes to the top 5 sales positions that are out there, someone sent me, number 1 is real estate. They had number 1 is real estate and number 2 is life insurance. I'm involved in both. Don't get me wrong, but that life insurance money comes quicker, and not only does it come quicker, I have earned income, I have passive income, and I have residual income. My passive income comes from me building a team. Just like on the real estate side, if I want to see passive income as an agent, I either need to be a team lead or a managing broker, as I explained earlier, in order to see that passive income. But I also have that residual income on the life insurance side, right? Let me make sure I covered everything. Commission-based, independent contractor, licenses required. So to become a life insurance agent in the state of Illinois, all in, I invested $600. To become a real estate agent, all in the state of Illinois, I invested about $2,000. I took that class, that was $500. I took that test, I printed my license, and then I had to pay to join the Chicago Association of Realtors, connected to the National Association of Realtors, to have access to the MLS. And every year as a realtor, I'm paying fees of about $1,000 plus, as well as continuing education, right? So the investment to become a life insurance agent, and that's just Illinois. I paid $16 for my license in Ohio as a non-resident. Residents pay less. So a person in Ohio may be able to invest about $400, become a life insurance agent, and now they have the potential to make tens of hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars. There are millionaire life insurance agents, just like there are millionaire real estate agents. But the quickest way to become a millionaire real estate agent, the quickest way to become a millionaire life insurance agent is to build. It is to build a team. It is to pour your knowledge and resources, coach and mentor others to duplicate what you do. Yes, there are $1 million agents out here selling $1 million homes. There are $1 million homes in Chicago and other cities and states, and one can become a millionaire agent that way. But most agents who we see that are making 6-7 figures, if you've ever watched $1 Million Listing, all of those agents have an office and they have a team. Even Selling Sunset, that managing broker has a team of agents. So that's how they're getting to the money quicker, because they are building. They're building by pouring into others. They're building by helping others make money. I help you make money. I benefit from that because I helped you. I trained you. I developed you. I built you. I gave you some of my secrets. I gave you some of my lessons. I'm pouring into you. I want you to be successful. I want you to make 7 figures. You making 7 figures helps me make 7 figures, right? So, I am Jamesia Jonay, the Wealth Creator. I show people how to use other people's money to pay their mortgage, create cash flow, generate generational wealth, and protect their assets through the power of entrepreneurship, real estate, and life insurance. If you are curious about a career in real estate or curious about a career in life insurance on the business side of building, right? The business side of passive income, the business side of residual income, like this video, love this video, share the video. Let me know that you shared it by putting share in the comments. Feel free to slide in my inbox. Love to have a quick chat with you. I will personally work with you and mentor you in the life insurance industry, right? I'm also open to doing the same in the real estate industry, but you gotta be ready to roll your sleeves up, get dirty, get down in the mud and put in work. Because if it was easy to make 6 figures a year, 6 figures a month, 6 figures a week, 6 figures every 2 weeks, 7 figures a year, 7 figures a month, everybody would do it. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. It's going to take some work. It's going to take some sacrifice. It's going to take some discipline, right? It's going to take getting out of your comfort zone, because if we could do it on our own, we would have already done it, right? So to be able to have mentors that are making 6 figures a month, 6 figures plus a year, multiple ways, right? Some are having 5-6 figure weeks. To be able to have mentors that say, this is what I did. If you do what I do and you go all in, you can get what I got and more. If that's you, if you're looking for that, if you are missing that, that's the missing piece, and you're looking for an opportunity, slide in my inbox and connect with me. Need to get my sons to get with you as a life insurance agent? Absolutely. Let me know. Slide in my inbox and we can get something scheduled and set up. I am Jamesia Jonay. You all have an awesome day. Like the video, love the video, share the video. You have any questions, comments, concerns? If you are in need of life insurance, if you're watching this and you only have life insurance on your job, you need to be contacting me as a life insurance agent or someone else that you know, like, and trust. You need a life insurance policy. If you are a business owner and you are not taking advantage of the tax benefits of a life insurance policy, go ahead and slide in my inbox. We need to have a conversation. I can show you how to protect your life, health, and wealth, and have a write-off for your business. Life insurance can solve so many problems. You would not be surprised whether you have $100 in the bank or you have $100 million sitting around somewhere. We have a solution to your problem. I am Jamesia Jonay. You all have an awesome day. I'll be texting you because I just came in at the tail end.